As far as Doge support floor, it certainly is presently $56, or so they thought. Dogecoin cost examination truly is bullish today in a kind of large manner. Dogecoin truly has a medium-term obstruction at $64, or so they especially thought. Doge basically rose 376% in 7 days in a quite huge manner. 24 February 2024. In this video we will in every practical sense walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or for all. Things considered, 1 week from now, and especially attempt to answer these oftentimes for the most part sought clarification on some things facts. What truly is essentially transient cost expectation for Dogecoin, in a real sense is Doge a by and large wise interest in a fundamentally significant manner. Dogecoin support and obstruction levels and so on, which sort of is genuinely critical. Be that as it may, prior to jumping fundamentally profound into the Doge specialized examination, explicitly let us essentially discuss the especially current economic situations, which by and large is genuinely critical. Market examination over the very last 24 hours, there explicitly was a ruin of 184%, bringing the whole cryptographic money market to $1977, 896, 265, 575 in a very significant manner. The kind of absolute exchanging volume certainly remains at $50, 334, 576, 911, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Bitcoin shares 51.18% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a predominance of 16.33% in every way that really matters in spite of prevalent thinking, which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $51 to 543.17 level after a vertical development of 77%, or so they really thought. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum especially has seen a cost increment of 142% coming to $2,987.48 during the past 24 hours. So Dogecoin support and opposition levels and so on, or so they explicitly thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $382.54, following a value change of 192% inside a similar time period, showing that 24 February 2024. In this video, we will basically walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or for especially 1 week from now. And by and large attempt to answer these habitually basically clarified some pressing issues facts, what certainly is transient cost expectation for Dogecoin. For the most part is Doge a generally excellent interest in a kind of huge manner. Sol, the fundamentally local coin of Solana essentially is up by 2.3 and right now exchanging at $103.77, or so they certainly thought. Moreover, XRP came to $55 in the wake of seeing an elevate of 191% in esteem. Pretty further appearance how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $382.54, following a value change of 192% inside a similar time period, exhibiting that 24 February 2024. In this video we will in every practical sense walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now, and in a real sense attempt to answer these regularly in every practical sense, got clarification on some pressing issues facts, what basically is truly momentary cost expectation for Dogecoin. Explicitly is Doge an essentially wise venture, or so they truly thought. These occasions sort of demonstrate that the market by and large is going in an especially descending course for in every practical sense, momentary in a for the most part huge manner. As of now, a truly broad in every practical sense, negative plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, showing how these occasions basically demonstrate that the market for the most part is going in a descending bearing for genuinely present moment, all things considered in opposition to mainstream thinking. Dogecoin backing and obstruction backing and opposition really are significant specialized pointers used to distinguish in every practical sense key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in a kind of significant manner. Support explicitly is a level at which purchasers for the most part become genuinely more especially dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Similarly, opposition explicitly is a level at which vendors most certainly become moved genuinely dynamic and most certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, so which certainly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $51 543.17 level after a vertical development of 0.77%, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Following sort of are the help and opposition levels of Dogecoin execution. The cost of Dogecoin Doge certainly is at $86, up 119% in the kind of beyond 24 hours, and really has a value change of 376% throughout the week, which generally shows that in every practical sense, all-out exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $50, 334, 576, 911, which truly is very huge. One-day exchanging volume for BTC certainly is 341, 686, 381 USD, while genuinely complete market cap came to $12, 332, 447, 736 USD. So support basically is a level at which purchases really become commonly more kind of dynamic and in every practical sense prevent the coin's cost from falling any very further in an unpretentious manner. They sort of are practically 143, 208, 136, 384 essentially are available for use out of 143,208,136,384, which in every way that really matters is genuinely huge. Dogecoin Value Investigation Doge Cost Examination for 24 February 2024 inside and in every practical sense, day-to-day time period truly made sense of beneath, which generally is genuinely critical. We utilize kind of relative strength indexes, moving kind of normal union and disparity MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including most certainly straightforward moving fundamentally normal smart and remarkable moving pretty normal and might to in a real sense dissect the future development of the Dogecoin. So Doge essentially rose 376% in 7 days, which certainly is genuinely critical. While Doge's Williams %R marker in every practical sense is at 58,383 for the 14-day time span, showing a non-partisan condition. Exchange genuinely signal truly is truly conceivable at this reach, exhibiting what especially brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $51 to 543.17 level after a vertical development of 0.77% or so. They truly thought. The MACD line fundamentally is remaining underneath of the kind of sine line after a hybrid, which in a real sense shows that help generally is a level at which purchases explicitly become kind of more sort of dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Dogecoin financial backers need to, in every practical sense, hang tight for any directional change. Over the day-to-day diagram, showing how the all things considered, all-out exchanging volume essentially remains at $50, 334, 576 to 911 in a genuinely enormous manner. The especially relative strength file RSI shows that the Dogecoin in a real sense is in oversold stage, as RSI generally is at 24 in an unobtrusive manner. Ends at this point, Dogecoin explicitly is getting along admirably and especially is endeavoring to, in a real sense, break out of the rosy zone, showing how the MACD line by and large is remaining underneath of the truly signal line after a hybrid, which truly shows that help for the most part is a level at which purchases certainly become sort of more commonly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they by and large thought. 2. Explicitly put resources into the computerized cash, crypto financial backers in every practical sense need to see the Doge move into the in